Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna do this beautiful wine smoky eye. And if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it would mean so much to me. So yeah, let's just get started. So first I'm gonna dive into this BB cream. Again, this one is from Dermaco. It's called a 2% niacinamide hydrating BB cream with SPF 30. So I have been using this product for a while now. You must have seen me use this in my reels or shorts. So it's actually a really good product. It just gives you a beautiful glowy effect on your skin, but it's not too glowy to make it look natural, and it looks very skin like. It's not at all heavy. And also nowadays I'm gravitated a lot towards products like BB creams, CC creams, or tinted moisturizers, something which are not heavy but which will give you like good enough coverage. I don't like heavy coverage products nowadays. If you don't like to wear heavy makeup, I think you should definitely try this one out. Or if you want something that you can use on a regular basis, definitely check this one out. And also all the new products from Dermaco are fragrance free. And if you guys are interested in buying this product, then you can use my coupon code SAVAN2023 and you'll get 20% off on Dermaco's official website. And every time you buy from Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they will help educate through Bhumi, which is such a great initiative. And you can also buy these products on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, and Purple. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to use my favorite concealer. It's from K Beauty. I'm in the shade 140Y and I'm just applying it under my eyes and blending it out. For loose powder, I'm going to use the Fit Me Loose setting powder in the shade light medium, and I'm just using it to set my under eyes. Moving on to my eyes, I'm going to take this Morphe eyeshadow palette. This has been lying in my wardrobe for so long and I absolutely forgot about it, and a couple of weeks back I saw it and I realized how beautiful it is, and I can literally create any kind of look using this particular eyeshadow palette. So I'm trying to use it more often, and I'm taking this shade and I'm putting it all over my eyes as my transition shade. And then I'm dipping into this shade and I'm putting it below my crease, and I'm making sure that I'm blending it properly because I don't want any harsh lines. Next, I'm dipping into this darker shade right here and I'm focusing it close to my eyes. And again, the key is to blend everything properly if you want that beautiful smoky eye. And then to give a final touch, I'm dipping into this black color right here and I'm taking a small angle brush, and this color I'm focusing very close to my lash line and then again blending it out. I feel like this puts everything together. A little bit of black is needed to call it a smoky eye. I feel like a black shade adds that smokiness to the eye, even though it's not a black smoky eye, but a little bit of black is needed to create that smokiness. And then I'm taking the same shade which I used for transition and I'm putting it on my bottom lash line. For mascara, I'm using my favorite mascara. This is the Air Volume Mascara from L'Oreal. A beautiful mascara, and it comes off really easily. I love this so much. It's one of my favorite mascaras. And then for blush, I'm taking this e.l.f. Putty blush. I absolutely love this shade. So when I got it, I thought it might not look good on my skin, but when I used it, I was so amazed. It looks very beautiful on my skin tone. And then I'm adding a little bit of this MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter on the high points of my face. And for my lips, I'm gonna go in with two shades. So I'm gonna use the first shade, which is from Swiss Beauty. I'm gonna mix them two together. This is a Swiss Beauty lip crayon. Again, the shade names will be in the description box below. I don't remember the shade names right now. And I'm applying one layer of this particular lip crayon, and then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty bullet lipstick. I think this shade is Joyride. Again, check the description box. And I'm mixing the two together and I absolutely love how it looks, and I feel like it puts the whole look together. So yeah, I guess this is it. This is the final result. Let me know if you guys enjoyed watching this video and if you found this tutorial helpful. It wasn't really a tutorial. I just felt like sitting down and doing my makeup. Makeup just makes me feel good, and I thought I might as well film it. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.